Hello everyone. Today we will go over the new user interface in CentreStack. We just logged in and the first thing you are seeing here is the cluster management. On the right hand side you can see the cluster control panel, and you can also see the different themes and color you can change, and there's also a customized color theme you can use. You can input a specific HTML color code and you can change to it, or you can use the predefined 12 different color theme in the system here. So it's becoming much easier to use. On the cluster control panel, you can go through the cluster information, the cluster branding. You can change the CentreStack into your own product and product name. That's the branding section. You can also define the default group policy. So the default group policy will be the policy taken by each and every tenant in the system here. So here are some examples of the security policy. You can also set up the email services. So the email services after setup will be used to send notifications and sharing emails. The worker node and the version manager. So the version manager is used for client auto upgrade, language, and antivirus. You can also check out the report section. Report section are reports related to the system here. You can also check out the network file shares to import them to a specific tenant. Here's the files and folders view, and this view is related to the default tenant. In the tenant manager, so we were at the cluster manager, but once we click through to manage a specific tenant, then it's the tenant manager. So now we are at the tenant manager's user manager. You can also manage team folders. So team folders are collaboration folders, kind of like the file server share. You can also connect to the Active Directory, the local Active Directory, or the remote Active Directory to get the user identities in. Or if you are just a regular user, then you will be seeing the files and folders view without seeing the management view. On the left hand side, that's the tree view, and on the right hand side, that's the information panel. And if you have the management privilege, you can click through to the tenant manager and different management scopes for the tenant manager. So here is the new user interface. You have cluster manager, tenant manager, and also the web-based files and folder view, and also different native clients you can download. Thank you.